Hey, this is Travis in Dallas, Texas, and whether you outsource or handle your manufacturing in-house, verifying critical geometry is key to ensuring consistency for your products. Let's take a look at how SOLIDWORKS Inspection 2022 can help simplify and automate your quality assurance processes. The standalone version of SOLIDWORKS Inspection has typically relied on 2D PDFs to start the ballooning process. Now in 2022, support for additional file types have been introduced, the most significant of which is native SOLIDWORKS drawings. Now we can start our project by importing a SOLIDWORKS drawing directly into the standalone inspection application, and then extract the relevant part information such as part description, part number, and current revision. The same smart extraction method is used to gather dimensional and tolerance characteristics needed for this report. Here an additional note regarding the surface profile tolerance is ballooned and extracted with just a simple click. Notice that the software identifies the GD&T symbol, precision, and geometric tolerance indicators, which will all be included in the final report. Continuing through the extraction process, hole callouts and geometric tolerances are ballooned and remapped to the project bill of characteristics. Take a look at Balloon 5, which is home to multiple dimensional requirements. SOLIDWORKS Inspection automatically identifies each one and has broken them into sub-balloons as shown in the table. Repeating these steps for the additional callouts is a breeze. Repeating these simple steps for the additional callouts is a breeze. No manual data entry is required. But what if we wanted a better way to communicate the information from the 3D part itself? SOLIDWORKS Inspection 2022 has dramatically improved the performance and support for SOLIDWORKS part files, which can be directly added into the inspection project alongside the current 2D sheet. The extraction process is the same as in the 2D drawing, pulling in and identifying the geometric tolerance and positional information, but now ballooned directly onto the 3D part. During the assembly of this bracket, a few critical welds along with some surface finish requirements will need to be inspected. Inspection 2022 now fully supports importing SOLIDWORKS assemblies to ensure proper fit, form, and function with all manufactured and assembled items. With the bill of characteristics created, this package can now be saved with all the associative 2D and 3D data without having to access any of the parts or assemblies inside of SOLIDWORKS. The inspection reports can be generated and include both 2D and 3D PDFs along with the necessary Excel documentation. SOLIDWORKS Inspection is also available directly inside of SOLIDWORKS itself as an add-in. And new for 2022, the add-in actually fully supports API. And this highly requested enhancement helps to automate the creation, ballooning, modification, extraction, and exporting of first article and in-process inspection reports. With all the new file type support and increased automation for SOLIDWORKS Inspection 2022, there has never been a better time to revisit your current quality assurance processes.